So today we're going to be making some soap from home. I just bought my soap molds from Michael's. They were like $2 each. I also have, of course, a little measuring cup and a stirring stick. I just used a chopstick, but you can use something else. I also only got like glycerin soap. It was also from Michael's. It was about $7 and it has plenty in it to make plenty of soap. So obviously, first of all, you're going to want to cut up the soap. It actually has it measured out in little increments, and so I just go in and I cut plenty for 2 bars of soap. You can use all kinds of different substances. Like you can use aloe, you can use shea butter, but here I'm just using glycerin soap. You're gonna throw it into the microwave for about 30 seconds at first, and then in 10-second increments until it melts down. Since I have a lot, I had to put it in there for about a minute, and then you stir it until it's completely clear. As you can see, it's pretty liquidy, which is great. Pretty much right after it's there, you're gonna put in your essential oil, which can be any kind of like smell. I chose lavender because I have lavender flowers as well. It's a just very soothing essential oil. You're only gonna put a few drops in. I put a little extra in there because it's a big dose. Stir it in really good, and then get your molds, put some flowers, put some whatever you want into it. You can put oats with shea butter, it's awesome. Just put a little bit of the flowers at the bottom, and then pour your soap in. Make sure to stop right before you hit the top, so that there's just enough room for anything to not spill over. And then I usually put just a few more flowers or oats if you're doing shea butter on top, so that it looks really nice when it comes out. Once you're done with that, you're just gonna let it sit for 40 to 45 minutes in a cool area. If you have a fan in the room, make sure to turn it off just so that like no bubbles form at the top. Once they are no longer warm to the touch, you can go ahead and try and pop them out. Try and be gentle with it. Don't disform it in any way, but just gently press on the back of it until it pops out. This one, oops, dropped it on the table, but that's okay. And once you're done with that, you have completed all the steps. You're pretty much done making your own homemade soap. Really easy and super reusable. And you're good to go. Like I said, there's plenty of glycerin soap in there, so you can remake lots and lots of soap. Hope that helped.